ago, I went to DISCHEM to go buy this Rimmel Foundation. This foundation. I was on YouTube because I was looking for a foundation that is good for a dry skin, because I have extremely dry skin. And Rimmel came up and I was like, okay, let me try it out. I was initially supposed to buy Huda, but I was like, I'll check it out later. I was like, let me buy Rimmel Plus, it's cheap. It was, I got it at 200 and something. That's the cheapest foundation I've ever bought in my life. And it's good. I like it on my skin. It's not bad. It's good. It's good. It's good. But the issue is that I bought the wrong shade. I bought the wrong shade, guys, for my face. And you know how that happened? Because I get to DISCHEM, I get to DISCHEM. When I get there, there's no mirror, there's no mirror. Those ladies as well to assist you, they were nowhere to be found. I literally had to find a lady to come assist me. Let's start there. The experience was so different from when you go to Mac or Black Up or Clarence, those expensive ones. When you get there, the service is tops. When you go to Mac, they're waiting for you. Like, it's like they were born to just wait for you for the day you come and say, hey, I want to make foundation, can you assist me? And they will give you the best assistance in the world. They ready, the mirror is there, it's big, the lighting is proper, you're able to see yourself properly, whether this foundation is your shade or not. That was not the case with DISCHEM. So I get this lady then, one Tuesday, then she's assisting me, and she comes with three of these different shades, obviously, and then we try them all. And then she was like, this one looks good on me, And I checked as well. There was no mirror, remember? There was no mirror, and then she had to find a mirror. Like, she went, literally there was no mirror. Normally there is like a mirror this small right there by the products. There was no mirror. DISCHEM go for ways. I'm not lying. There by the makeup, there was no mirror. And then she went, I don't know where she went. She comes back with the mirror, a very small mirror. The lighting was bad as well. Like, so next I couldn't see properly. Then I think she was struggling. And then she was like, no, this one looks proper. I'm like, it looks proper. Only when I come home, when I get home, when we were supposed to go out, Fatima and I were supposed to go out. Next thing I get it, it's a shade darker than my skin. I didn't like, Fatima is the one who's like, girl, this foundation is one shade darker than your skin. Can you see? Guys. What's going on? What's going on? We have to go. So if it happens that you buy storage full, just imagine. So I had to pause, and not even pause, it stopped recording itself, and I had to go into my gallery and delete old stuff. So now we're back. I don't even remember how. Oh yes, now I remember. I was saying, if it happens that you make a mistake of buying a foundation, that's not for your skin, your shade, don't despair. Just mix that foundation with your concealer, and then this is what happens. So I mixed them together today, the darker foundation, my concealer, and I still have a little bit of my Clarence foundation. So I mixed all three of them together, and then it gave me this, guys. I cannot try makeup like that much. Like, every time I've been recording for YouTube for you guys, literally I haven't been putting on makeup. I have not been putting on makeup. The last time I put on makeup for you guys, to record content for YouTube, I think it was sometime in Jan, if not Feb. It's September now. Makeup, life, This other time ke le ka tsenya fela foundation, but today I was like, let me try go all out, but I didn't go all in. Like, it's not extensive like that. You understand, like, what I mean? I tried nyana. Can you see ke zamile nyana ka go dikeng so ke contourile nyana bikinyana le mo thoko ke zamile ka tshasa bronzer nyana here. It's king ka re dintsi ka re clips ka re shade nyana ka re clips mara ka tsenya. I don't put on, as you can see, the lash. I didn't put on the lash. Ma zamile nyana tlhapile nyana fandag. So yeah, anyway, the point of this video actually was just me sharing the experience of going to Clicks or DISCHEM and buying foundation there, as opposed to going to, you know, your Macs, your Clarins and your Christian Dior's, literally your Fenty's foundation. When you get there, they're ready, they're waiting for you. The service is fantastic. The foundations are, the products are expensive, yeah, depending on what is expensive more. Now foundation at 800 700 is expensive, but it's worth it. I'm not complaining. It's costly, let me say it's costly, yeah, because I think Christian Dior is like $1,000 and something, you know. That's a steep that's a steep. So 700-800. So the first foundation I ever bought in my life was MAC, and then after MAC I bought Black Up, which I loved so much. But the problem with Black Up was that literally 30 minutes like I would be so oily. Like, I would be so oily, and I didn't understand, because I have extremely dry skin, but it made my skin, my face so oily, and I was like, let me try something else. And then I tried Clarins. Clarins is a good product as well as a good foundation. Obviously, if you're a girl and you've tried Clarins, you cannot complain. I'm not complaining as well, but my problem with Clarins was the fact that when I got home, I only see these things when I get home. When I got home, I realized that it's not full coverage, and I wanted a full coverage foundation. So Clarins, I can recommend it to ladies who have extremely beautiful and smooth skin, and they don't want to use foundation to be hiding some spots or marks. If you just want to put on something like a light foundation, Clarins is your girl. And I'll never buy it again, ever, because of that. I know full coverage. Gerata foundation, yeah, full coverage. Say red, say matte on my face. I love that. So Clarins, and then I went for Rimmel. So that's when I get Rimmel is the cheapest foundation I've ever bought. But I'm not complaining, but I'll never buy it. No, I was just trying. Actually, I actually want to try all these foundations. After Rimmel, that's when then I'll go buy Huda. I'll buy Huda maybe after a month or two. I wanted. My BFF's little sister is a makeup artist. Makeup by Tandy, a very great, fabulous makeup artist. She was like to me, girl, you better try out Huda. You're gonna love it. So I want to try Huda. I want to try Fenty. I'd also like to try some Christian Dior. And yeah. So yes, guys, and the point of the video as well is 2 points actually. The other point is that don't despair, don't be scared if you buy a shade darker than your I mean, if you buy a foundation darker than your original like color, you know, like color, how to go to something. If you buy a foundation I don't think it's darker than your shade, your skin, no, what's the word I'm looking for? The word that we use, your complexion. Yes, sis. There's always tricks, bro. Concealer, concealer, so yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched until this far, I always say, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see you in another video. I love my makeup. Look at my eyebrows.